What's your favorite book? What a tangled web we weave. I wonder what would happen if we mixed these together. I wonder if you can judge a cover by its book. Arr, you'll never give me treasure without the map.
Look at me now! I'm somebody!
I wonder what would happen if we mixed these together. All aboard the Perspective Railroad.
Hey, let's make a puppet!